What's up everyone, how's it going today? As just a thank you and appreciation for everyone who supported my channel over the years, I wanted to do another giveaway. Now this giveaway is going to be Subaru related, so I'm sure if you're following my channel you're already a fan of Subarus. Let me show you the first thing we got here. Now this is just something I'm looking to do myself. It's not sponsored by anyone, it's just something I'm willing to do for you. Now, this is a Subaru hat that I have here. I actually had gotten one of these for myself a couple months back and really like it, and I know that whoever wins this is really going to enjoy this hat. So you got the black bill here, gray top, with the nice Subaru logo here. Now, moving on to the next thing, it's going to be some Subaru socks. Now let me actually just take these out. I'm not going to wear them, I'll put them right back in here. But these are pretty sweet here. Black and white. Subaru on the sides here, as you can see. You got the stars, and it looks like the stars from over all the years Subaru's been around. So kind of a throwback, also just pretty cool look. Yeah, I definitely would be rocking a pair of these anywhere I go. Now whenever you are actually going somewhere, you may need an actual just drink or beverage, whether at work. You can fit it in here. A nice Subaru, I think they call it the Aurora glass. You can see it's kind of iridescent. It has a purple, blue, and then a little bit of a green tint, as well as the Subaru logo on the side, so you can rep Subaru wherever you're at. This is a pretty cool cup. The last thing that I have here is going to be something that I know a lot of you will enjoy. It's the JBL speaker. So this is just a wireless Bluetooth speaker. I'll play it for you here in a second. It's pretty loud, as well as it comes with this cool little bag. This is one of the ambassador presents that I got that I figured, why not? I think I have a couple just different types of Bluetooth speakers, this being one of the better ones, but I'd like to be able to just kind of pass it on and be able to give it to someone who really enjoys it. Now, apart from all this stuff, I'll just go ahead and throw a Supreme sticker in there because this is Supreme giveaway, so you got to show Supreme on it. So you got the speaker, you can play your music, you can annoy people by playing random crow calls, you can play your techno on it, or you can listen to something if you're just feeling down. So with all this stuff you may be wondering, well, how do I enter? Now it's pretty simple here. What you do is just comment down below with your Instagram name, and then I just want to hear something Subaru related. So whether it's with your own Subaru, a mod that you've done, something that you enjoy, you're looking to get a Subaru, or some video that's been posted in the past, just something Subaru related. Now make sure you include your Instagram, because what I'm also going to do is put a post on my Instagram, and what you'll do is go to it, you can like it, it doesn't really matter, but make sure that you comment and just say commented, or you can copy and paste what you put on YouTube, so I know that you've entered on YouTube as well as you've confirmed it on Instagram with me. Because whenever I pick the winner, I'm actually going to message you on Instagram this time. Last time I did it through YouTube and it was kind of a little back and forth trying to get in with some people, but now just being able to direct message on Instagram is going to be the best. So hope you guys enjoyed all the videos that have been made. I have some more coming up here pretty soon, and if you have any questions about how to enter, if that wasn't good enough, just let me know. I'll answer it for you. We'll make sure to get you signed up. I'm going to let this go for about 2 weeks. I'm going to announce the winner on May 30th. I'll put a YouTube video up as well as announce it on my Instagram. So this one's pretty cool. It's well over $100 worth of stuff that will be directly to you. So nothing that you have to do on your part besides comment on YouTube and on Instagram. As always, hope you enjoyed these videos, and happy driving, and enjoy.